So I'm Josh. I'm a second-year doctoral student of clinical psych at BU, and I work here in the lab with everybody. Clinical neuropsychology is really interesting. First of all, it affords sort of an opportunity to do both research and clinical practice, which is something that I'm really interested in. In particular, I'm more interested in research and improving our ability to diagnose conditions like Alzheimer's disease more accurately. So MAP and all the projects that kind of fall under it, like the Colbos, for example, are really interesting to me as somebody who has always been fascinated with Latinx culture in particular, and multiculturalism at large. It's been really interesting getting to work with individuals from countries different from the United States and cultural backgrounds different from my own, and see how those experiences impact their work both within research or their diagnosis and lives in sort of the clinical realm. So specifically at MAP, the main projects I'm working on right now fall sort of under the Colbos project, which stands for Columbia and Boston, which is our study of individuals with autosomal dominant Alzheimer's disease. Right now, my projects are sort of focusing on the role of executive functioning possibly as a subclinical and preclinical sign of future cognitive impairment in Alzheimer's disease. Other projects right now include a comprehensive review of the literature from the Colombian cohort, as well as working on a project right now that looks at Alzheimer's pathological proteins and cortical thickness. I think in the future, mostly still kind of, it's a work in progress, but I'm really hoping to try to, again, sort of improve our ability to diagnose more accurately and precisely Alzheimer's disease relative to other neurodegenerative conditions, and in particular focus on how cultural influences, which is really great for the work with MAP, might play a role in sort of the presentation of the diagnoses.